You can't beat a good, tender, juicy, messy chicken wing. Hello, welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade and cooking in the kitchen, reviews in the kitchen, sort of a bit of both. We're going to be doing today, as one of my grandchildren say, today we're doing chicken wings, and yes we are. I have had these things in my possession for way too long. I don't even know if Aldi still sell them anymore. I think they do, I'm not 100% sure because I've had them a fair few months. But we have the first of the Bramwell's wing roulette. They do the bird's eye chili, they do a ghost pepper, and I can't remember what the other one is. I don't know if it's a naga. I can't honestly remember, I'm really sorry. But yeah, it's basically a seasoning. I'm going to have to put my glasses on. My eyesight is getting worse by the day. Right. Bramwell's Summer of Celebration. We're in November, so yeah, this was probably meant for a summertime barbecue. It's flaming hot spice rub. How hot can you handle? Mix it up with our Scotch bonnet and ghost chili. The other one's Scotch bonnet. Boom, there you go. So this has got flaming hot spice rub, but then it says medium heat. Suitable for vegans. So basically, unleash the flavour for a delicious, tasty meal. Just add the marinade to meat, fish or vegetables. Sprinkle over meat, fish or vegetables. Leave for 10 minutes to marinate. Barbecue, oven, grill or fry. Dead easy. A marinade seasoning with dried tomatoes, dried garlic, red chilli flakes and bird's eye chili powder. Sounds nice. How hot is it going to be really? I don't know. I mean, the best before date is 12:23 because it's a seasoning. It doesn't go off very quickly. So, ingredients: sugar, maize starch, monster extra, salt, dried tomato, dried garlic, ground paprika, red chili flakes, dried onion, citric acid. Bird's eye chili powder is only 2%. I've got a feeling they're not going to be flaming hot. I can't see them being medium. But I'm going to give them a go. Like I say, Bramwell's is Aldi's own brand, and it's good to see big supermarkets messing or trying to bring us chili heads out into the open market and be able to pick stuff up that we would normally have to go on the internet to buy or things like that. The mainstream supermarkets these days, especially Iceland, are getting so much better at bringing food for us spice heads. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get to the worktop, get the wings out, sprinkle the marinade, stick it in the fridge for 10 minutes and then get them on the oven tray and we'll be good to go, hopefully. I mean, chicken wings probably going to take me about 30-35 minutes to cook, so dead easy. So I'll see you at the worktop in a sec. Right guys, so here we are at the worktop. We have our chicken wings ready to go. Like I said, there's 3 different flavours: ghost pepper, bird's eye and whatever the other one was. So we're going to rip this bad boy. It's got a lovely smell, but it don't smell spicy. So I'm going to literally whack the whole packet on these wings. I'm not going to go easy, I'm not going to go safe. And then we're going to give it a good rubbing. These are going to be generously coated in this rub. There's plenty in here to cover these wings. Coat them completely with the rub. There's probably going to be something left over to sprinkle on. And then we're going to whack these in the fridge for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour. to let the marinade do its thing. So there we are, thoroughly coated chicken wings in our bird's eye chili powder. I'm going to clear this worktop. So I'm going to whack those in the fridge for about 20 minutes and then we'll come back, get them on the tray and get them in the oven. See you in a sec, guys. Right, 20 minutes has passed. So we're going to get these wings on the tray, generously coated as you can see. Absolutely bursting with seasoning. Got some little bit extra here to get it on. Not wasting any of this powder. I'm going to use the whole packet on the 4 wings. Sprinkled on. There we go. Look at that. Plenty on there. Happy days. So what we're going to do now, look at the coating on those. That looks really, really tasty and really, really nice. I cannot wait to get these in the oven, get the kitchen smelling beautiful, and then tuck in to some bird's eye chili chicken wings. So oven's on, gas mark 8. They do look really, really tasty. Look at those. Beautiful orange yellowy colour. So in they go, and we'll see you in about 45 minutes. Right guys, these wings have had 45 minutes with the bird's eye chili wing roulette seasoning from Aldi. Look at those. They look really, really tasty. Just look, the coating is stuck to them really well. They look so nice. I am actually really looking forward to these. I also bought the wings from Aldi because they sell a pack of 12, which worked out fine because there's 3 different seasonings, so there'll be 4 wings for each one. This is the first one, the bird's eye chili wings. They look amazing, I'm not going to lie, they look so tasty. So we're going to sit down and tuck in to our bird's eye wing roulette. See you in a minute, guys. So here we are, about to tuck in and eat our Bramwell's bird's eye chili wing roulette seasoned chicken wings. They smell pretty good. They don't smell spicy, but they've got like a nice, like a barbecue-y style. Oh, these are hot. I never learned my lesson of letting stuff cool down first. Oh, there's them so hot. I need a tea towel one minute. Hang on. Sorry guys. Tilly's sniffing around, I can smell the chicken. So we've had the bone straight out of that piece. So here goes. Bird's eye chili wing roulette. Lovely, moist, tender chicken wing. You get the hint of the garlic, you get the seasoning. The one thing I will say about this seasoning, it's so salty. It's going to give me a proper, to be fair, I did put the whole packet on 4 wings, so that was probably not the best idea I've ever had. But I wanted to get make sure I got the flavour of the seasoning. is quite sweet and salty. There is a bit of heat there. It's definitely not flaming hot, nowhere near. But there is a little bit of a tingle happening. Definitely not 100% not flaming hot. Like I say, they've got a bit of tingle, but that's salt. You need to reduce the salt in them if you ever bring them out again. I mean, they're still out now because I checked, and I seen them today before I did this video. You can't beat a good, tender, juicy, messy chicken wing. Flavour rating, I'm going to give them a 7 because they've got a nice, if you just reduce that salt just a little bit, the actual flavour of the seasoning is really, really nice. It goes well on wings. It'd probably go really well on a rack of ribs as well. Probably would. Maybe when I do the next one, I'm not going to use the whole packet on just 4 wings, because maybe that's why it's so salty. Maybe it's designed for like 12 spread over a whole lot. So maybe I'll try that on the next one to make sure that it wasn't me being stupid and making mistakes. But I want to carry on with them because the flavour's pretty damn good. That's why they gave a 7. Really good. I love finger food. It's my favourite. Wings, ribs, jalapeno poppers, samosas, barges. I could quite easily just get a plate of all that together and I'll sit there and I'll be happy. I'd rather have that than a roast dinner or a Christmas dinner, I'll be perfectly honest. I love to just sit back with a film or a TV programme, whatever, plate of picky food and a beer. That's just the way I am. And that's what I love to eat. So, clean bone. Boom. That was my review of Bramwell's Bird's Eye Chilli Wing Roulette. 7 for flavour. Heat rating, I'm going to go 0.5 because there is, like I've just said, that little tingle and the tang which is creeping about, but 0.5 is as high as I'm willing to go for these. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, don't forget the notification bell. Click all and you will get every single notification from me, Rob, at Rob's Homemade. So for me, Rob, Aldi and Bramwell's Bird's Eye Chilli Wing Roulette Wings, a little bit of a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.